Why do 70% of young adults regret migrating? Let's break it down. Many young people dream of a better life by moving abroad. But sometimes the reality is far harsher than the dream. Some have faced unexpected dangers, losing not just their belongings, but also their lives or loved ones. Imagine leaving everything behind, only to face the unknown alone. Is the risk really worth it? Staying in your homeland means staying close to family, friends, and the culture you know and love. Yes, there are challenges, but working through them with the support of your community can be incredibly rewarding. Think about it. Is it better to face familiar struggles at home or gamble everything on an uncertain future? Your safety and happiness matter. Sometimes the best path forward is the one that keeps you close to the people and places that make you feel truly at home. So before you decide to migrate, consider staying. Your future might be brighter right where you are.